At NMT Auto Service, we are your tire experts. We have some of the best trained technicians in the industry, and not to mention some of the best equipment to go along with that. Our tire machine can handle anything we throw at it, from run flats to low profiles to sport tires to your regular touring tires and even big mud tires for the lifted trucks. And our Road Force Elite Balancer from Hunter can handle any job as well, diagnosing and solving all your vibration complaints, including lateral pull, uneven wear, and even telling us where to put them on your vehicle to give you the best ride. Ultimately, the combination of these two machines will give you not only a good ride, but longevity in your tires and your suspension and steering components. That's why there's nowhere else to look but NMT Auto Service. We stock thousands of tires every day of the week, every day of the year. We have every make and model, most sizes, if not all, and they're ready at our fingertips at our local warehouses. Even when they're tough to find, we can usually have them within a day or two. So don't worry, even if you can't find the right tire, we'll find it for you. And if you're stuck and your vehicle's down, we'll find you a rental car to make sure that you stay on the road and you're working. Below 7 degrees Celsius, winter tires are an absolute must. In Quebec, it's law. In Ontario, it's not law yet, but truthfully, the traction and performance is completely different between all seasons and winters. That's why it's important that you switch over. A new set of tires can take as little as 30 minutes and as much as an hour, but let's be honest, based on your make and model, we'll let you know exactly how long it's going to take. Don't forget, we have our own road hazard warranty programs in case you're interested, which gives you a 3-year prorated replacement and lifetime flat repairs. Not to mention, make sure you get your alignment checked with us for free, because that'll make sure you get the maximum life out of your tires. Balance your tires at least once a year. It's important that you do a full brake inspection every year with a comprehensive tire inspection. The balancing ensures that you get maximum life out of those tires and a smooth ride. So once a year, we recommend that we take them off the vehicle, balance them, do a full complete inspection, and then we'll follow up with a free digital alignment report as well.